guys! So for today's video is magkakaroon tayo ng Finish the OB Challenge. So, yung OB yan, Sanrio OB. So, kung di pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe na kayo. Click the notification bell. Updated kayo sa mga dadating na vlog namin. So, let's start. So, let's go guys! Doon sa pinaka-taas. So let's go. Ay! So, let's go. Continue. Kasi guys, maingay. Umuulan dito sa amin kaya malag. Kaya guys, malag ako kasi nag-video ako. Wait. So, let's continue. I hope that wait. Sayang. Ay, may stage pala. Escape stage. Score na ako guys. Ayan. Ay, uy! Gagi. Sorry guys. So, be careful. Yun. Stage 5 na tayo guys. I think matatagalan tong video na to kasi parang puro ako hulog dito kasi malag din si pusa. So let's go. I need to be careful because I don't want to fall again because it's hard. Oh, because it's lag. So we need to be careful. Oh my gosh! I'm so tired. Oh no! What the? There. Yay! Ang lag. Ang lag. Oh my gosh. Sobrang lag niya. So, just be careful. Yes. Nice. Kala ko ba Sanrio to? Bakit walang purple? Wow! Malapit. Malapit na tayo guys. So, ang easy lang pala. So, let's go guys. Ta-da! Oh. Oh my gosh. Ay, ito. I don't think so. Yay! We are here, guys. Ay, mayroon pang isang obi. So, sa part 2 na lang natin tatapusin tong obi na to. So, see you soon or tomorrow. Bye!